What's up, guys? I'm glad to have you back. So right now in this video, I'll be talking about a totally free update. Okay, this particular update you don't need to actually deposit, as it is 100% free, and I'm going to be walking you through how you can basically make money with this update I'm about to talk about. Okay, and all you need for this particular update is your Telegram account. Okay, so for this one, I'll actually advise you to create a new Telegram account if you have another number that you've not registered on Telegram. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is to actually click the link in the description section of this video. Okay, and once you click on the link, it will bring you to your website this way. You're going to find a code right here, so I'm actually blurring this right now, so you just copy the code. Then after that, you click on right here where you have get it on Google Play. Okay, so once you click on this, it will bring you right here to your Google Play Store, and you actually download and install this app into your device. All right, so once you download it, it will launch this way. So we're going to click on where we have start Conso journey. Okay, so right now I need to actually connect this to my Telegram account. Okay, now this is why I'm actually saying it's advisable for you to use a new Telegram account. If you have a spare number, use it to create a Telegram account on Telegram. All right, so we're just going to click on the continue button right here, and then I'm going to click on the allow button here. Okay, so right here I'm going to put in the phone number of the Telegram I want to use. Okay, so after doing that, I'm going to click on the next button right here, and I'm going to click on the yes button here. Okay, so click on continue button right here. All right, so once you actually do that, a code will be sent to that particular Telegram account. Okay, so you're going to get a code this way. Okay, so this is more like linking your Telegram account to that particular app. Okay, but then it's safe because a lot of people have already done this and they've not had any issue with that. All right, and you can also delete your account on the app anytime you feel like, or unlink it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the code right now. And here we go, guys. We've successfully linked our Telegram to this app. Okay, and right here it says start your Conso journey, explore, interact, and actually earn. Okay, so I'll click on continue button right here. Then it will bring you right here to this page where you're going to paste that referral code. Okay, and once you actually paste it, you get 10 CPs and 0.05 USDT. Okay, so if you actually skip this, you might not actually get this 10 console points and also 0.05 USDT, and it is very important, and I'll actually show you why. Okay, so once you're here, you'll have your account this way. All right, so my console points are currently 0 and my pocket is also 0. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to actually claim these original shares to activate your console journey. All right, so I'll click on the claim button right here, and immediately 30 console points will be given to us. All right, so after activating the console account, there are other tasks right here. Okay, now to actually earn more of these points, you can actually perform tasks like scroll to earn, play to earn, and chat to earn. Okay, so these are basic things you actually do with your Telegram, and there's even some right here. You get about 30 console points if you actually followed on X. So I'll click on the cool button right here. So we're just going to follow the Twitter page. Okay, and you can see it's a verified page, and a lot of people are currently following this particular page. All right, so we head back right now, and then we're going to click on the check button here. So this way we should have completed this. All right, and that's done, guys. So the next one says we should join the channel, so click on the go button here, and we'll check this also. So just going to join the Conso official channel. All right, so head back here. That's done. We'll join the community also. All right, then head back here. That's also done. So also share on X, and there we go. We're done with all the tasks. All right, so I'm going to click on claim button to claim extra 30 console points. All right, now let's quickly talk about how to actually perform the other task right here. Okay, so we have the scroll to earn right here where you claim about 5 console points for scrolling. All right, so to do that, right here, they'll come right here, and all you need to do is to be scrolling this way. Okay, so as you can see, as I'm scrolling, this is actually adding up. All right, so this and that way you can actually earn more of these points. Okay, now this is more like an airdrop, because at the end of the day this is actually a token, all right, though it's not listed, but it will be listed very soon as we keep following this particular update. Okay, so guys, after completing the scroll to earn task, you can see right here, so I'm just going to click on the claim button to actually claim 5 Conso points. Okay, and also if I scroll right here, there's also a box right here that's actually given to me as today's task, so I'm just going to open it right here. Okay, so let's see what is in the box. So about 18 console points were given to me for actually completing that task also. And you can see right now I have about 83 console points. Okay. Now, like I said earlier, you can actually earn console points and USDT. Okay. Now, guys, let's talk about how to earn USDT right here. Okay. But before then, let's connect our wallet right here. So click on connect wallet here. So you can actually connect with your Telegram, or you can connect with Townkeeper if you have, okay, or any other option right here. So I'm going to be connecting with Townkeeper. All right, so I've selected the Townkeeper option right here. So we're going to click on the connect wallet option right here. Okay, and there we go, we've successfully connected our Townkeeper to our Conso app. Okay, as you can see right here. All right, so usually for the USDT there are usually tasks for earning USDT right here, but currently at time of making this video it is not here. But then there's also another way you can actually earn 0.1 USDT for free, and that is by actually inviting your friends right here. Okay, so you see right here where it says refer to earn. If you click right here, you will need to actually mint your referral code. Okay, and all you need to mint your referral code is 180 Conso points. All right, so the main reason why you're watching this video is because I have already minted mine. All right, though at the time of making it I've not actually minted it, as you can see right now. But then if you're watching this video right now, it basically means that I've met the requirement of 180 Conso point by actually performing the task, like the scroll to earn task, and also the playing to earn task right here, and also the share to earn task right here. Okay, so the share to earn says share your followed channels post to help them go viral, and you earn while you do that. All right, and also the play to earn right here, if you click right here down here, you're going to see some games right here. Okay, you can also search for some Telegram mini games that you know of that you can actually be playing right here to actually earn the play to earn. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you how the play to earn actually work. So let me click on the main file right here. So it's going to load up this way, something like this, but then we're just going to close this. All right, and once you close it, you're going to see something like this. Once you click on this, it will actually pop out a menu this way. All right, so you can see that as I'm touching things right here on my main file, the play to earn points are actually increasing. And with this process, you can also open other games right here. You can even open your Telegram wallet right here using this same process. And once it opens this way, just minimize it this way, close this, and you'll find this right here. Okay, once you click on that button to pop up this way, so as far as you're tapping these two places, you're just doing some activities right here. Your console points for the play to earn will be increasing, and once this gets to 5, you actually get to claim these. All right, so this is another way you can earn more console points. And there are also daily tasks right here that can actually help you to boost your earning, like the one I actually performed today, which was to complete the scroll to earn to unlock a white box. Okay, and also remember that there are also USDT tasks. So when I actually got on this update on my other account, there were USDT tags that I was able to use to actually earn USDT right here. Okay, and another thing about earning USDT right here is that once you actually use someone's referral code to actually sign up on this, you also get about 0.05 USDT, which is little. But then if you invite a friend, for each friend you invite, you get 0.1 USDT each, and you also get Conso points for each friend you actually invite right here. Okay, so as for me, I think the hard part about this update is actually minting your referral code, because you need to actually perform most of these tasks to get about 180 Conso points. Then after minting it, you can actually start inviting your friends right here, and you get 0.1 USDT for each friend you actually invite right here, and they also get 0.05 USDT and 10 Conso points once they sign up. Okay, and there are also basic tasks and challenges that you can also perform to actually earn more. Okay, now for more information, we're going to head over to the Telegram community of this particular platform. All right, So this is the official Telegram channel. I would advise you to actually join this, and it has over 80,000 subscribers right now. Okay, so right here you get basic updates about the Conso app, and you can see right now there's actually a campaign going on, which is the coin box challenge. Okay, so it says right here, the more days you check in during the week, for if you check in for 3 consecutive days, you get silver box, and if you check in for 5 consecutive days, you get gold box, which also have some rewards. And if you check in for 7 consecutive days, you get diamond box, and you can win up to 100 USDT in the diamond box right here. Okay, and how do you check in, guys? All you need to do is to earn 25 points every day to complete a check-in. Okay, so you have to actually perform this task. So you can actually choose one task that is very okay with you, and you can also perform it to actually complete this check-in. Okay, so remember, the scroll to earn will give you 5 console points. So basically, if you perform it 5 times, you get 25 console points for that day, and you complete your check-in. Okay, and if you do this for 3 consecutive days, you get to unlock the silver box, and if you do that for 5 consecutive days, you get to unlock the gold box, and if you do that for 7 days, you get to unlock the diamond box. And as you're unlocking each of these box, they actually come with a reward. Okay, so I got about 18 console points for unlocking the white box today. So come to think of what you will get whenever you unbox this particular box, and I'm sure that they will also have USDT rewards in each of them. Okay, so this is why I'm actually sharing you this update. And you know, one thing about free updates is that you have to actually perform some tasks to actually in on it. Okay, and that's why it's basically free. All right, so that is it about this update. You're going to find the link and the invite code in comment section down below. Okay, so check it out and start earning your console points today. And once you actually get about 180 console points, you mint your referral code, and you also invite your friends right here to earn 0.1 USDT for each friend you invite. And also make sure you check in every day by earning 25 console points on a daily basis. And once you can perform 3 days streak, you get a silver box that have some reward, and 5 days streak gives you a gold box right here. Okay, so a lot of updates are still coming up from this app, and subsequently I will still make more videos about it. And once I actually earn enough USDT by actually performing some tasks right here, I'm going to make a live withdrawal so that you can also see. Okay, so that'll be all for now, guys. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.